Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello, bakers. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread cookies. We'll transform the comforting flavors of banana bread into a convenient, bite-sized cookie. This recipe is straightforward and perfect for using up those ripe bananas on your counter. You'll end up with about 24 soft, chewy cookies, ready to enjoy in under 30 minutes. Let's get started on this wonderful baking adventure together. To begin, let's gather all our ingredients. You'll need 3 very ripe bananas mashed, which are key for that authentic banana bread flavor. We'll also use 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Don't forget 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1 large egg, and a few spices to bring it all together. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Now for the fun part, mixing and baking. Start by creaming your softened butter with both sugars until it's light and fluffy. Then, incorporate the mashed bananas and egg. In a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients and gradually add them to the wet mixture, being careful not to overmix. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto your baking sheet. Bake these delightful cookies for about 10 to 12 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until they are perfectly golden. To ensure your banana bread cookies are absolutely perfect, here are a few helpful tips. Always use very ripe bananas. Their natural sweetness and moisture are crucial. Be careful not to overmix the dough, as this can lead to tough cookies. After baking, let them cool on the sheet for about 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack. You can store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Enjoy these wonderful homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.